Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Babbel app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.